In today's unpredictable world, emergencies can strike at any moment. Whether it's a natural disaster, a long-term power outage, or a global pandemic, being prepared is crucial. One of the most important aspects of preparedness is having a stockpile of food. But not just any food. Smart prepping involves selecting the right kinds of food that will sustain you and your family through tough times. Imagine a situation where you are cut off from regular food supplies. Grocery stores are closed and the power is out. How will you feed your family? This scenario is not as far-fetched as it might seem. Recent events have shown us that disruptions can happen suddenly and without warning. Therefore, having a well-thought-out food stockpile is not just a good idea, it's a necessity. This guide will help you navigate through the complexities of stockpiling food, ensuring that you are well prepared for any emergency. So let's dive in and start preparing for a safer, more secure future. Traditional stockpiling foods like rice and beans have been staples in emergency preparedness for decades. They are affordable, have a long shelf life, and can be stored in bulk. However, relying solely on these staples has its limitations. While rice and beans can provide essential carbohydrates and some protein, they lack other vital nutrients. Eating the same foods day in and day out can lead to food fatigue, making it difficult to maintain morale during a prolonged emergency. Additionally, these staples require significant amounts of water and energy to prepare, which might not be readily available in an emergency situation. Improper storage can lead to contamination by insects, rodents, or mold. Lastly, rice and beans alone do not provide a balanced diet. Therefore, it is crucial to diversify your emergency food stockpile to ensure you are getting a well-rounded diet. In an emergency, maintaining balanced nutrition is essential. Your body needs a variety of nutrients to function properly, especially during stressful times. A diet lacking in essential nutrients can weaken your immune system, reduce your energy levels, and impair your ability to think clearly, all of which are critical in an emergency. Proteins are a vital component of a balanced diet. Including other protein sources like canned meats, fish, and legumes is essential. Fats provide a concentrated source of energy and are necessary for the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, and K. Nuts, seeds, and canned fish are excellent sources of healthy fats that can be easily stored and have a long shelf life. Including a variety of canned fruits and vegetables in your stockpile can help ensure you are getting a range of vitamins and minerals. Additionally, consider storing multivitamins as a supplement to your diet. A well-rounded emergency food stockpile should include a variety of foods that provide carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals. Preparing and cooking food during an emergency can be challenging, especially if you don't have access to conventional heat sources. Power outages are common during natural disasters, and you may find yourself without electricity or gas. One practical solution is to include foods that can be eaten without cooking. Pre-canned foods, MREs, and ready-to-eat snacks are excellent options. These foods are designed to be consumed straight from the package, making them convenient and practical during an emergency. Another option is to invest in portable cooking equipment. Camping stoves, portable grills, and solar ovens are all viable alternatives. Water is another critical factor to consider. Many staple foods like rice and beans require significant amounts of water for cooking. Stocking up on water purification tablets, filters, and portable water containers can help ensure you have access to safe drinking water. By including ready-to-eat foods and investing in portable cooking equipment, you can ensure that you and your family can prepare and eat nutritious meals even during power outages. Benefits of pre-canned foods. Pre-canned foods are a cornerstone of any well-prepared emergency stockpile. They offer numerous benefits that make them an ideal choice for emergency situations. One of the most significant advantages is their long shelf life. Most canned foods can last for several years, making them a reliable option for long-term storage. Another benefit of pre-canned foods is their convenience. They are ready to eat straight from the can, requiring no preparation or cooking. This is particularly useful during emergencies when access to cooking facilities may be limited. Additionally, canned foods are often packaged in durable, airtight containers that protect them from contamination and spoilage. Pre-canned foods also provide a wide variety of options. From fruits and vegetables to meats and soups, there is a vast selection of canned foods available. Their long shelf life, convenience, and variety make them an essential component of any well-prepared emergency plan. Checking for food spoilage and proper storage techniques. Proper storage and regular checks are crucial to maintaining the quality and safety of your emergency food stockpile. Even foods with long shelf lives can spoil if not stored correctly. One of the first steps in proper storage is to keep your food in a cool, dry place. Temperature fluctuations and humidity can accelerate spoilage and reduce the shelf life of your food. A basement or a dedicated pantry with stable conditions is ideal. Additionally, using airtight containers can help protect your food from moisture and pests. Regularly checking your stockpile for signs of spoilage is also important. For canned foods, inspect the cans for any dents, rust, or bulging, as these can be indicators of compromised seals and potential contamination. For dry goods, check for any signs of mold, discoloration, or unusual odors. Rotating your stockpile is another effective way to ensure freshness. By following these practices, you can ensure that your food remains safe and nutritious for when you need it most. Comparing pre-canned foods, MREs, and home-preserved foods. For emergency food stockpiling, consider pre-canned foods, MREs, and home-preserved foods. Each has benefits and drawbacks. Pre-canned foods offer convenience and a long shelf life. They are readily available and need no special equipment. MREs are portable and come with heating elements. Home-preserved foods let you control ingredients, but they require time, effort, and knowledge. A mix of these options offers the best preparedness. Living in an apartment presents unique challenges for emergency food stockpiling. Limited space and storage can make it difficult to prepare adequately. With strategic planning, you can create a robust stockpile in a small space. Maximize storage by using vertical space and stackable containers. Repurpose underbed storage, closets, and corners for food. Vacuum-sealed bags reduce bulk, making storage easier. Invest in compact, portable cooking devices. Stock up on ready-to-eat foods like pre-canned meals and energy bars. Stockpiling food for emergencies is a critical component of preparedness. It requires careful planning and consideration of various factors to ensure you and your family are well equipped to handle any situation. Let's recap the key points covered in this guide. First, traditional stockpiling foods like rice and beans have their limitations. While they are affordable and have a long shelf life, they lack variety and essential nutrients. Diversifying your stockpile is essential for maintaining balanced nutrition. Balanced nutrition is crucial during emergencies. Your stockpile should include a variety of foods that provide carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals. Practical challenges such as cooking without conventional heat sources and ensuring access to clean water must be addressed. Including ready-to-eat foods and investing in portable cooking equipment can help overcome these challenges. Pre-canned foods offer numerous benefits, including convenience, variety, and a long shelf life. Regularly checking for spoilage and proper storage techniques are essential to maintaining the quality and safety of your stockpile. Stockpiling food for emergencies is not a one-size-fits-all endeavor. Carefully consider your individual needs, living situation, and potential scenarios. Develop a thoughtful stockpiling strategy for emergencies. Assess your specific needs and household size. Consider dietary restrictions and likely emergencies. Determine the types and quantities of food to stockpile. Create a plan for acquiring and storing food. Set a budget and prioritize essentials. Look for sales and bulk purchase opportunities. Ensure proper storage to prevent spoilage. Regularly review and update your stockpile. Rotate stock to ensure freshness and replace expired items. By planning and updating, you ensure preparedness for any situation. In the face of uncertainty, being prepared can provide a sense of security and peace of mind. Stockpiling food for emergencies is a crucial part of that preparedness. By following the guidelines and tips outlined in this guide, you can create a robust and reliable emergency food stockpile that will help you weather any storm. Remember, the key to successful stockpiling is balance and variety. Ensure your stockpile includes a mix of carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals. Consider the practical challenges of preparation and cooking, and invest in portable cooking devices and water purification solutions. Regularly check your stockpile for signs of spoilage and rotate your supplies to maintain freshness. Now is the time to take action. Start by assessing your current emergency preparedness and identifying any gaps in your food stockpile. So take the first step today and start building your ultimate emergency food stockpile.